Okay, hi, I'm Allison Moses, and today we are going to try out my new, come closer, Hoover Dual Power Pro Carpet Washer. Yay! Heavy duty cleaning for the whole family. So, this is the actual machine. My son and I already put it together. I like the color. Look at the color good. It's gray and green, neon green. It's very cute. Very different than my vacuum cleaner. And the instructions actually for assembly was very simple. Only four easy instructions. We put it together. We've already loaded the hot water in it. And we also put the solution in. Let's see. But one thing about it, it's kind of heavy. Even with the water not in it, it's kind of heavy. And as you can see, pan to over there, I have a split level house. So I'll have to go up those stairs to do the living room and then go up 10 more stairs to get to the upstairs. So even with the water not in the machine, it's pretty heavy. Let's see here. So I'll at least have to take the water out before I can take it up the stairs to do the rest of my house. Okay, so let's start with the easy instructions. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. The pedals are very easily shown. The on and off, the handle release on the machine. And then it says for me to spray. I'm gonna hold the trigger to apply the cleaning solution. Slowly push forwards and backwards, squeezing the trigger, and then let the trigger go to start to dry stroke. And continue using the dry strokes until the little water is seen visible passing through the nozzle, which is in the front. That's very clear and visible. So we're gonna put the instructions over here. And the cord down here. Let's see. We're gonna start over in the corner. It is heavy to pick up, but to move, the wheels are actually very good on it. They're very big wheels that I like, so they easily move on the carpet. Just turn it on. Kind of loud. Hold it. Coming through an object. The nozzle is pretty loud. Here, we're going to turn it off. And let's go ahead and just take it loose. You see all the dirt inside of the machine. It's easy to come off. One thing about this machine that I do love, everything you need to touch is the neon green color, and it says very well what you need to do. And then if you turn this around, I didn't even have to read the instructions for this, so I like this a lot. A cleaning access, pull and lift to unlatch. It says right there. I didn't even have to read the instructions for that because everything's in neon green, and compared to the gray, I think that's very, very cool. And if you look inside there, just get a close shot. Ew, yuck. Now, I did vacuum my floors before we got started, but you can see how dirty that water is. So there we have it. Back up to me. That is the Hoover Dual Power Pro Carpet Washer, and I give it 2 thumbs up. I do like the machine. Only thing I don't like is it is pretty heavy. So it's not easy for you to use one hand or maybe even 2 hands carrying up and down the stairs to do multiple levels. Like for me, like I said, for my split level house, I would have to take the water out, and even with the water in it, it's still pretty heavy. But I do love the color. The neon green contrasts to the gray very well, and it tells you everything you need to know to do anything, even with the clean boost. Everything is in neon green color. So, like I said, I didn't even have to read the directions to know how to take a loose the part that has to be emptied. It is pretty loud, so you have to be mindful of that. But other than that, I think it did a good job. So there I have it. Hoover Dual Power Pro Carpet Washer. 2 thumbs up. I do recommend it to others. See you next time.